a heartfelt call for strategic leadership and support for Bangladesh political initiative. Honorable Sri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of the Republic of India. Dear Prime Minister Modi, Namaskar. Your dynamic leadership through the neighborhood first policy and commitment to regional harmony has been a beacon for South Asia, fostering bonds of trust and progress. As a passionate Bangladeshi, my initial gateway to national contribution, inshallah, I approach you with sincere reverence, seeking your strategic support for the political initiatives driving Bangladesh advancement. Our shared history and cultural ties make this partnership especially meaningful. Bangladesh is embracing bold steps in democratic governance, economic integration, and climate action initiatives that resonate with India's vision for a prosperous subcontinent. From cross-border trade to joint efforts in water, prosperous water management, and youth exchange, collaboration can amplify our mutual goals, ensuring stability and growth in the Bay of Bengal region. Your endorsement would invigorate our parliamentary process, inspiring cross-border solidarity and reinforcing the fraternal spirit that defines India-Bangladesh relationships. As I pursue this path, a gesture of your wisdom, be it through diplomatic channels or a message of unity, would uplift millions or wave a stronger South Asian tapestry. This appeal honors your legacy of inclusive development and people-centric diplomacy. With arms, rigors, and profound optimism, I am your affectionate correspondent, your faithfully, Susan. Namaskar.